Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set live wallpaper on lock screen. So let's get started. So important thing first, Windows 11 does not officially support live wallpapers on the lock screen, but you can still get a similar effect using third-party apps. So you can download any of these such as Lively Wallpaper or Wallpaper Engine. But Lively Wallpaper is free, so I recommend you to use it. So these apps allow animated wallpapers on your desktop. Simply install it, and once it's done, you gotta open the app and simply choose a live wallpaper and apply it. This works only on the desktop, but not the true lock screen. So in order to really customize the lock screen in an alternative way, you can go to settings and then head over to personalization from the left side, go to lock screen, and you can set picture or slideshow that best matches your live wallpaper. So you can use high quality images to mimic a dynamic look if you want to. So that's the end of today's video. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.